So the topic of today is the megasporogenesis or development of embryo cell. Okay, as you know, the embryo cell, that is female gametophyte. Yesterday we have discussed about the structure of this embryo cell. Now in this lecture we will discuss the development of embryo cell, how it takes place. Okay. So embryogenesis, the development of embryo cell is the development from megaspore. Okay. The formation of megaspore is known as megasporogenesis, and this megaspore is developed in the micropillar region of nucellus. Okay. So what about the nucellus? Okay, nucellus क्या है? What is nucellus? Nucellus is a nutritive which provide nutrition, nutritive mass. ठीक है, nutritive mass of parenchymatous cells. ठीक है, parenchymatous cells. ठीक, okay. So in this micropillar region, ठीक है, of nucellus, a megaspore mother cell is developed. Okay. So what happened is that in this region an archisporial cell is formed. This archisporial cell is developed, and this archispore cell divides towards outer side, which produces nucellus. Okay, and in the inner side of this archisporial cells develop sporogenous cell. Okay, these sporogenous cells produce NMC, that is megaspore mother cell. Okay, this megaspore mother cell, okay, we can take for instance, this is the megaspore mother cell, okay, which has a dense cytoplasm and prominent nucleus, and around it are the cells of the nucellus. Okay, these are the cells of nucellus. Okay. Now what happens that this megaspore mother cell undergoes for the first meiotic division. Okay, meiotic division, and what happens that they will produce two cells. Two megaspores are developed, and this stage is called dyad stage. Okay. Then this dyad stage undergoes to the second meiotic division. And in this way it produces 4 megaspores. These are the 4 megaspores, and around it are the cells of nucellus. Okay, as we have drawn in the first. Okay, so these are the 4 megaspores. These are the 4 megaspores. Okay, and out of these 4 megaspores, these 3 megaspores degenerates. ठीक है, ये 3 इसमें से डीजनरेट हो जाएंगे, दे विल डिसअपियर. ठीक है, डिसॉल्व. ठीक है, कंज्यूम्ड, and the only one megaspores remain. only 1 megaspore remains, ठीक है, in the process. Okay, so this is the functional megaspore. This is the one functional megaspore. ठीक है, and the development of this embryo sac or female gametophyte will take place from this one single functional megaspore. ठीक है, how many megaspores are produced? 4. Out of 4, 3 degenerate. How many remains? 1. So later on this megaspore will develop, this single megaspore develop into embryo sac. So in other words we can say that embryo sac develop from one megaspore, single megaspore. So sometime this development of embryo sac development is called monosporic development. Monosporic development. Okay. So what does it mean? Monosporic development के development from a single megaspore. ठीक है? The embryo sac here is developed from single, and single term is known as mono. So development is monosporic. Can you justify the development of embryo sac is monosporic? Yes, you can justify. How? Because it developed from single megaspore. तो justify हो गया. Why we are calling it monosporic development? क्यों कह रहे हैं हम इसको? Because it developed from one single monospore. So development of embryo sac is monosporic development. Okay. Now what will happen? That this functional megaspore will undergoes to the, and one more thing, that this functional megaspore, ठीक है, at clasal end, ये clasal end पर जो megaspore होता है वही functional होता है. बाकी जो 3 माइक्रोपिलर एंड पर होते हैं वो डिजेनरेट हो जाते हैं. सबसे नीचे वाला clasal end की तरफ जो लास्ट में होता है, that only survives and remain functional. So it will develop into the embryo sac. Okay. Now what will happen? The nucleus of this functional megaspore is divided by mitotic division. Okay. This is the first mitotic division. Okay. First mitotic. Then the second mitotic division take place, and the 4 nuclei are produced, and later on these 4 nuclei by the third. Okay. So there are 8 nuclei. Okay. Now what happens? These 8 nuclei, ठीक है, one each from the group. ठीक है. These are developed into polar nuclei. These are developed into polar nuclei. ये polar nuclei में develop हो जाते हैं. Okay? और यहाँ पर 3 antipodal cells are produced, and towards the micropillar end 1 central egg cell. Okay, and 1 left and 1 to right are the 2 synergids. Okay, these are the 2 synergids. Synergid cells, and these 3 cells towards the antipodal cells. These are the antipodal cells. Antipodal cells, ठीक है, at clasal end. ठीक है. So these nuclei accumulate some of the cytoplasm around themselves and they rearrange themselves. ठीक है. The upper 4 group and lower 4 group. ठीक है. तो इनमें से क्या होता है कि 1 each from the group, 4 upper and 4 lower, 1 each arranged in the center, which are known as the polar nuclei. These are the polar nuclei. Okay, and this is the central cell, and here the development completes. This is the mature embryo cell. Mature embryo cell. Okay, this is the mature embryo cell which contain the 7 cells and 8 nuclei. ठीक है. So this was the development of female gametophyte of embryosac, which developed from single functional megaspore. That's why the development of this embryosac is known as monosporic development, because this question has been asked in the examination, why the development of embryosac is called monosporic. ठीक है. So you have to explain it. ठीक है. So it is all about from the development of embryosac. ठीक है. In next we will discuss with you about the double fertilization. Okay. So these are the some